Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.
1.3 Little girls wiser than old people. Wiser, शहाणा, समजदार, हुशार.
मोठ्या माणसांपेक्षा लहान मुली अधिक समंजस.
It was early Easter. In the yards lay snow and rills ran down the village. Easter, ख्रिश्चन धर्माचा एक सण व सुट्टी. ईस्टर फक्त रविवारीच साजरा करतात. यार्ड्स, अंगण. ले, पडलेला. स्नो, बर्फ. रिल्स, पाण्याचा छोटा प्रवाह.
या वर्षी ईस्टरचा सण लवकर आला होता. अंगणात बर्फ पडलं होतं आणि गावातून पाण्याचे ओढे वाहत होते.
A large puddle had run down from a manure pile into a lane between two farms. Puddle, डबके. Manure, शेणखत किंवा पालापाचोळा इत्यादी. पाईल, ढीग.
एका शेणखताच्या ढिगाऱ्यातून एक मोठं डबकं 2 शेतांमधल्या जाणाऱ्या अरुंद बोळात वाहत जात होतं.
And at this puddle, 2 girls, one older than the other, had met. Both of them had been dressed by their mothers in new clothes.
आणि त्या डबक्याशी 2 मुली एकमेकींना भेटल्या. एक जण दुसरीपेक्षा मोठी होती. दोघींना त्यांच्या आयांनी नवीन कपडे घातले होते.
The little girl had a blue dress and the elder a yellow one with a design. Both had their heads wrapped in red kerchiefs. Wrap, गुंडाळणे. Kerchief, रुमाल.
लहान मुलीने निळा झगा घातला होता आणि मोठीने नक्षी असलेला पिवळा. दोघींनी डोक्यावर लाल रुमाल बांधले होते.
After prayers in the church, the 2 girls went to the puddle, where they showed their new garments to each other and began to play. They wanted to splash in the water. Splash, पाणी, उसळणे.
चर्चमधील प्रार्थना संपल्यावर त्या दोघी मुली त्या डबक्यापाशी आल्या. त्यांनी एकमेकींना आपले नवे झगे दाखवले आणि त्या खेळू लागल्या. त्यांना त्या पाण्यात डुबकायचं होतं. पाणी थपथप करून उडवायचं होतं.
The little girl started to go into the puddle with her shoes on, but the older girl said to her, "Don't go, Malasha. Your mother will scold you. I will take off my shoes and you do the same." Take off, काढणे.
छोटी मुलगी पायातील बुटांसकट टपक्यात शिरू लागली. तेव्हा मोठी मुलगी तिला म्हणाली, "मलाशा, तशी जाऊ नकोस, नाहीतर तुझी आई तुला रागावेल. मी माझे बूट काढते, तूही तसंच कर."
The girls took off their shoes, raised their skirts, and walked through the puddle towards each other. Malasha stepped in up to her ankles and said,
मग त्या मुलींनी आपापले बूट काढले, झगे वर उचलले आणि त्या डबक्यातून एकमेकींच्या दिशेने चालू लागल्या. मलाशाचे पाय घोट्यांपर्यंत आत बुडाले आणि ती म्हणाली,
"It's deep, Akulka. I am afraid." "Never mind," she replied. "It'll not be any deeper. Come straight towards me." Afraid, भीती वाटणे.
"अकुलका, हे डबके खोल आहे. मला भीती वाटते." "हरकत नाही," ती उत्तरली. "यापेक्षा ते अधिक खोल नसेल. थेट माझ्यापर्यंत चालत ये."
They came closer to each other. Akulka said, "Malasha, look out and do not splash it up, but walk softly." स्प्लॅश, शिंतोडे उडवणे.
दोघी एकमेकींच्या जवळ आल्या. मलाशा, लक्ष ठेव आणि चिखल उडवू नकोस. तर जपून चाल, अकुल्का म्हणाली.
She had barely said that when Malasha plumped her foot into the water and bespattered Akulka's new dress, and not only her dress but also her nose and eyes. Barely तेवढ्यात. प्लम्प तडाख्याने घुसवणे.
तिचं बोलणं पूर्ण व्हायच्या आतच मलाशाने ढपकन पाण्यात पाय बुडवला आणि अकुल्काच्या नव्या झग्यावर चिखल उडाला. नुसता झगाच नव्हे तर तिच्या नाकावर व डोळ्यांवरही चिखलाचे शिंतोडे उडाले.
When Akulka saw the spots on her dress, she grew angry at Malasha and scolded her and ran after her and wanted to strike her.
आपल्या झग्यावरचे चिखलाचे डाग पाहून अकुल्काला मलाशाचा राग आला आणि ती तिच्यावर ओरडली आणि तिला मारण्यासाठी तिच्या मागे धावली.
Malasha was frightened and seeing what trouble she had caused, jumped out of the puddle and ran home. Frightened, घाबरली.
मलाशा घाबरली आणि आपण काय उपद्व्याप करून ठेवलाय ते पाहून डबक्यातून बाहेर उडी मारली आणि ती घरी पळाली.
Akulka's mother passed by. She saw her daughter's dress bespattered and soiled. Passed by, जवळून गेली. Soiled, मातीने माखलेला.
तिथून जात असताना अकुल्काच्या आईने आपल्या मुलीचा चिखलाचे शिंतोडे उडाल्याने खराब झालेला झगा पाहिला.
Where, accursed one, did you get yourself so dirty? Malasha has purposely splashed it on me. Accursed one, दुष्ट मुली किंवा मुलगा. Purposely, मुद्दाम.
अगं नतद्रष्ट मुली, स्वतःला एवढं कुठे घाण करून घेतलंस? मलाशाने मुद्दामहून माझ्यावर शिंतोडे उडवले.
Akulka's mother grasped Malasha and gave her a knock on the nape of her neck. Malasha began to howl and her mother ran out of the house. Grasped, पकडले. Knock, फटका. Nape of her neck, मानेच्या मागच्या बाजूला. Howl, आक्रोश करणे.
अकुल्काच्या आईने मलाशाला घट्ट पकडले आणि तिच्या मानेवर फटका मारला. मलाशा किंचाळू लागली आणि तिची आई घरातून धावत बाहेर आली.
Why do you strike my daughter? She began to scold her neighbor. One word brought back another, and the women began to quarrel. The men too ran out, and a big crowd gathered in the street. Quarrel, भांडण. Gathered, जमले.
तुम्ही माझ्या मुलीला का मारताय? ती शेजारणीवर ओरडू लागली. शब्दाने शब्द वाढत गेला आणि त्या बायका भांडू लागल्या. पुरुषही धावत बाहेर आले आणि रस्त्यावर ही भली मोठी गर्दी जमली.
All were crying, and nobody could hear his neighbor. They scolded and cursed each other. One man gave another man a push, and a fight had begun. Cursed, शिव्या देणे.
सर्वजण आरडाओरडा करू लागले आणि कुणीच कुणाचा ऐकेना. कुणालाच बाजूच्या माणसाचं म्हणणं ऐकू येईना. सर्वजण एकमेकांवर ओरडू लागले आणि शिव्याशाप देऊ लागले. एका माणसाने दुसऱ्या माणसाला धक्का दिला आणि भांडण सुरू झाले.
When Akulka's grandmother came out, she stepped in the midst of the peasants and began to talk to them. Midst, दरम्यान, मध्येच.
तेवढ्यात अकुल्काची आजी बाहेर आली. सर्व शेतकऱ्यांच्या मधोमध जाऊन ती उभी राहिली आणि त्यांच्याशी बोलू लागली.
What are you doing, dear ones? Consider the holiday. This is a time for rejoicing and see what sin you are doing. Rejoicing, आनंदणे, आनंद साजरा करणे. Sin, पाप.
लाडक्यांनो, तुम्ही काय करीत आहात? सुट्टीचा दिवस आहे याचं भान ठेवा. ही आनंद साजरा करण्याची वेळ आहे आणि तुम्ही काय पाप करता आहात ते पहा.
They paid no attention to the old woman and almost knocked her off her feet. She would never have stopped them if it had not been for Akulka and Malasha.
वृद्ध स्त्रीकडे त्यांनी बिलकुल लक्ष दिले नाही आणि तिला धक्का मारून जवळपास खालीच पाडले. अकुल्का आणि मलाशाची बाब नसती तर तिने त्यांना कधीही थांबवले नसते.
While the women exchanged words, Akulka wiped off her dress and went back to the puddle in the lane. Exchanged adla badal.
इकडे स्त्रियांची बाचाबाची सुरू होती. अकुल्काने तिचा झगा पुसून काढला आणि ती बोळातल्या डबक्याकडे परत गेली.
She picked up a pebble and began to scratch the ground so as to let the water off into the street. Pebble, गोल दगड. Scratch, खरवडणे, ओरखडणे.
तिने एक वाटोळा दगड उचलला आणि जमिनीवर खरवडायला सुरुवात केली, जेणेकरून पाणी रस्त्यावर वाहू लागेल.
While she was scratching, Malasha came up and began to help her. She picked up a chip and widened the rill. Chip, दगड. Widened, मोठा केला.
तिचं जमीन खरवडणं चालू असतानाच मलाशा तिथे आली आणि तिला मदत करू लागली. तिने एक दगडाचा चपटा तुकडा घेतला आणि तो ओढा रुंद केला.
The peasants had begun to fight. Just as the water went down the rill toward the place where the old woman was trying to separate the men. Peasants, शेतकरी.
शेतकऱ्यांचे भांडण चालू असतानाच पाणी ओढ्यातून वाहत वाहत जिथे ती वृद्ध स्त्री त्या माणसांना पांगवण्याचा प्रयत्न करत होती तिथपर्यंत पोहोचलं.
The girls ran, one from one side of the rill, the other from the other side.
दोन्ही मुली, एक जण ओढ्याच्या एका बाजूला तर दुसरी पलीकडच्या बाजूला, अशा पळत सुटल्या.
Look out, Malasha, look out! Shouted Akulka. Malasha wanted to say something herself, but could not speak for laughter.
अकुल्का चित्कारली, ते बघ मलाशा, ते बघ. मलाशालाही काहीतरी सांगायचं होतं, पण हसता हसता तिच्या तोंडून शब्दच फुटेना.
The girls were running and laughing at the chip, which was bobbing up and down the rill. Bobbing up and down, वर खाली हेलकावे घेणे.
ओढ्याच्या पाण्यातून वर खाली हेलकावे घेत तरंगणाऱ्या चपट्या तुकड्याकडे पाहत त्या मुली धावत होत्या आणि हसत होत्या.
They ran straight into the crowd of the peasants. The old woman saw them and said to the peasants,
पळत पळत त्या थेट शेतकऱ्यांच्या घोळक्यात शिरल्या. वृद्ध स्त्रीने त्यांना पाहिले आणि ती शेतकऱ्यांना म्हणाली,
Shame on you before God, men! You have started fighting on account of these two girls, and they have long ago forgotten it. The dear children have been playing nicely together. They are wiser than you.
लोक हो, देवासाठी तरी स्वतःची लाज बाळगा. ज्या दोन मुलींच्या कारणाने तुम्ही भांडू लागलात त्या केव्हाच ते भांडण विसरून गेल्यात. आता त्या लाडक्या मुली एकत्र किती छान खेळू लागल्यात. त्या तुमच्यापेक्षा जास्त समंजस आहेत.
The men looked at the girls and they felt ashamed. Then they laughed at themselves and scattered to their farms. Ashamed, लाज वाटली. Scattered, विखुरले किंवा पसरले.
त्या लोकांनी त्या मुलींकडे पाहिलं आणि त्यांना स्वतःची लाज वाटली. मग ते स्वतःच्याच वागण्याला हसू लागले आणि आपापल्या शेताकडे पांगले.
Factual question. Guess the meaning of Puddle. The meaning is a small pool of water. Kerchiefs. Pieces of cloth worn on the head. Bespattered. Splashed all over with mud, etc. One word brought back another. Words were exchanged and they had arguments. Listen and answer. Why did Akulka want to strike Malasha? Answer. Because Malasha stamped her foot into the water and spoiled her new dress. Why did Malasha run home? Answer. Malasha ran home because Akulka ran after her to strike her for spoiling Akulka's dress. Did the people stop fighting? Answer. No, they didn't. What did Akulka do? Answer. She wiped off her dress and went to the puddle and began to scratch the ground with a pebble. What did Malasha do? Answer. Malasha joined her and began to help her. What was the old woman trying to do? Answer.
The old woman was trying to stop the quarrel between everyone present there.
Did the girls forget their quarrel? Answer. Yes. How can we say that? Answer. The two girls were running and laughing together at the chip bobbling up and down the rill. Why did the men feel ashamed? Answer. They felt ashamed when they saw the two girls forget their quarrel and start playing again. List all the words that refer to speaking in the story. Examples: said, scold or scolded, replied. Answer. The words that refer to speaking in the story are said, replied, scolded, to quarrel, crying, to talk, exchanged words, shouted, speak. In what sense are the words used here? Crying, shouting loudly. Holiday refers to vacation. Knocked her off her feet means made her fall to the ground. Discuss. Are children wiser than grown-ups? In what ways? Should grown-up people get involved in children's quarrels? If yes, when? If not, why? English workshop 1. Read aloud with proper intonation. Don't go. I am afraid. Never mind. Look out. Shame on you. 2. Spot the names of body parts from the story. Add 3 other names on your own. Answer. Body parts: head, ankles, foot, nose, eyes, nape, feet. More body parts: waist, shoulders, wrists, ears. 3. List the characters in the story and write their approximate ages. Answer. Characters. Approximate ages: Malasha 5 to 6, Akulka 7 to 8, Akulka's mother 30 to 35, Malasha's mother 40, Akulka's grandmother 60. 4. Write the stages in which the fight began and got worse. You may show as many stages as you like. Then write how and when the people stopped fighting. Answer. The fight. 1. Akulka's mother hit Malasha. 2. Malasha's mother ran out of her house and scolded Akulka's mother. 3. The two women began to quarrel. 4. The men also joined them and started quarreling. 5. One word led to another and the quarrel became worse. How the fight came to an end. 1. Akulka wiped off her dress and went back to the puddle and began to scratch the ground with a pebble to let the water off into the street. 2. Malasha came up and began to help her to widen the rill. 3. Both the girls forgot their quarrel and were enjoying their play. 4. Akulka's grandmother saw this and brought this to the notice of the quarrelling crowd. 5. Looking at the girls who had forgotten their quarrel long ago, the crowd felt ashamed and scattered away, and the quarrel ended. 5. Now choose any one of the reasons you have listed in the activity on page 10. Write down and enact a quarrel based on that reason and also show how it was resolved. Answer. In the class, Monty steals Rohit's ruler. Rohit. What are you hiding behind, Monu? Monu. What? This is my ruler. Shows the ruler. Rohit. This is mine. I have lost the same ruler. Monu. No, it cannot be. My friend gave this to me. Have a look. Rohit slaps Monu. You cheat. Look, my name is carved with a pin at the back end of the ruler. Monu. No, this is mine. Why did you slap me? Monu begins fighting with Rohit. Other students try to stop the fight. Hearing the noise, a teacher enters the class. Teacher. Stop this at once. What has happened? Rohit tells the teacher about the theft. Teacher. Monu, it is serious. It is open that you stole Rohit's ruler. Return the ruler to Rohit. And don't do such a thing again. Say sorry to Rohit. Monu. Sorry, sir. Sorry, Rohit. The quarrel ends there. 6. Change the words in the colored boxes to make other meaningful sentences. I'll take off my shoes and you do the same. Answer. 1. I'll take off my shirt and you do the same. 2. I'll take off my earrings and you do the same. This is a time for rejoicing. Answer. 1. This is a time for working. 2. This is a time for relaxing. 7. Read, remember and write. A. Dress, dressed. Start, started. Want, wanted. Walk, walked. Jump, jumped. Pass, passed. Grasp, grasped. Pick, picked. Gather, gathered. Laugh, laughed. Look, looked. Scatter, scattered. B. Run, ran. Begin, began. Sing, sang. Meet, met. Take, took. Say, said. Reply, replied. Try, tried. Come, came. See, saw. Get, got. Bring, brought. Fight, fought. Give, gave. Eat, ate. Use any two of these pairs in a pair of sentences. Example, run, ran. My dog runs very fast. Yesterday, it ran after a cat. 1. Meet, met. He meets me every day. He met me in a meeting yesterday. 2. Eat, ate. She eats an apple after lunch. She ate greedily at the feast. Language study. Types of nouns. We have seen earlier that a noun is a word that is used to name a person, an animal, a place, a thing, an idea, etc. The names given to particular persons, animals, places, etc. are known as proper nouns, and the rest are common nouns. Nouns classified as common nouns, proper nouns. Common nouns are girl, boy, city, mountain, table, river, book, building, ruler, table, etc. Proper nouns are Akulka, Malasha, Sangeeta, Anand, London, Mumbai, Sayadri, Narmada, etc. Write at least 5 common nouns and 5 proper nouns each. Note that proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. Answer. 1. Common nouns. Fruit, tree, river, man, city. 2. Proper nouns: Pankaj, Narmada, Solapur, Maharashtra Times, Kanchan. When you choose a name for your pet dog or cat, you are giving a proper noun to a common noun. Choose any 5 suitable common nouns and invent interesting names for them. Examples: a river, River Speedy; a magazine for children, Mitra or friend; a building, Ace Towers. Answer: 1. A hotel, Pet Puja; 2. A villain, Ravan; 3. A quack doctor, Chamatkari Baba; 4. A tall man, Tower; 5. A man who eats too much, Drum. TOW. 2 minutes of oral work. Give as many examples of the following as possible within 2 minutes: animals, birds, vegetables, body parts, musical instruments. Use 2 minutes per word.